Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make canned cream of mushroom soup better only way. Start by heating the soup slowly over medium-low heat and whisking regularly to prevent lumps. Melt 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter into the soup for richness, then stir in 1 cup half and half for creaminess. Season with salt and 1 teaspoon pepper, and finish with fresh chopped parsley for brightness and aroma. Sautéing fresh mushrooms and a small onion in a bit of oil builds real umami that canned soup lacks. After browning, deglaze the pan with 2 tablespoons white wine or 1 tablespoon lemon juice to lift brown bits into the soup. Stir those vegetables into the warmed can base, then add 1 teaspoon soy sauce or a dash of Worcestershire for a savory finish that tastes homemade and layered without extra effort. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to help us keep sharing easy cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free timers right into your kitchen, so you can set 5-minute or 30-minute reminders while you cook without touching your phone. It also answers recipe questions when your hands are messy, making it a tiny but mighty kitchen helper. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For a restaurant-style finish, whisk in 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan or 1 tablespoon cream cheese to thicken and smooth the soup. Fold in 1 cup cooked rice or small pasta to turn the soup into a satisfying meal that holds texture. Adjust seasoning with salt and pepper, then garnish with fresh parsley or chives for a bright contrast that makes the dish feel freshly prepared and complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.